Everything was cool to them.
But the Bible says,
It
Wavelika,
Athens. The problem that was being a problem to them.
Now, what was the problem? It is start. People begin to die. About to bow fall without a cause. Unto the cooler after before I see the specialist.
Someone will be sick after before he approached the hospital.
And this thing happened while they had best doctors. But a solution was never found. While they believed in different gods. But now the city was chaotic because people are dying and they don't know the solution. They don't know the problem. What is killing people? And history says a king, what is among our priests even now? Every religious leader. What we as people of Athens, we believe in religion. Now I ask every leader that is here, call upon your God and let your God find the solution. Or let your God tell us what is killing our people. The Bible says they went in their different ways. They consulted to their gods. But people kept on dying without a cause. It's Bible start. The king had to stood up. That is possible. Let us do this test and see what will happen. He commanded everyone to fast and their animals to fast. It's a Bible. 40 days. Nothing was, everyone was not eating. It's a Bible that goes.
And the king said,
On the third day, Masitati Kumcha.